There it is. Charging cable. This foam thing smells horrible. Wow. There it is. Do 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 do. Yeah, now I just gotta charge it. That was very light though. Okay, yes. Yeah, sure. Wow. Well done. Thanks, Garmin. Yeah. Sure. Oh gosh. I don't know what this means. I never use this. Sure. Oh, we actually don't need those. Edit goals now. Your initial goal will be 7,500 custom. We want it to be at least 10,000. So, yeah. I don't really know what that means, but I think we should actually put it to like 180 because that way it's a few hours. Sure, I don't care about that. Woohoo! We're all set. Oh, look, it has his little face going. It's like on an auto bright mode. See? So my phone is telling me like music, Garmin Pay, Garmin Coach, Connect IQ, menstrual cycle. That's actually good, but I do already use something. But schedule a workout. Get started. Finish setup. So basically, I wanted to show you can also go into Connect IQ and like download digital watch faces that are different. That one looks cool. But there's like a bunch of random shit. Look at the Pip-Boy. Dang, look at that. Also, they do not have Apple Music, which I remember reading, but I wanted to make sure. So, like, the music apps they have on here are Spotify, Deezer, Amazon Music, and Runcasts. So, Heart Rate Zone. So, this would actually probably be good for Orange Theory. So, we will download it. Hiking. That could be good. Maybe we should download that. This everybody's access to. Yeah, that's fine. Because Garmin does have a GPS. Garmin in general makes good GPSs. Anyway, all kinds of stuff.